Fail.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Clark County, southeastern Greene County, southwestern Madison County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Xenia, Washington Courthouse, Cedarville, Sabina, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, Wilberforce, New Jasper, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Port William, Milledgeville, Octa, Gladstone, Jasper Mills, Paintersville, and Bell Center. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 54 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the